Hello guys, good evening, good morning. Welcome to the RaagviTech channel. Our today's videos describes about the data visualization in LWC using Chat.js. Okay, so basically, this is small description about the how we can use the Chat.js in LWC. So here are some bundle Dalton components with Chat.js. So basically, we can say that what Chat.js is. So Chart.js is basically a free open source JavaScript library for data visualization which supports 8 chart types. That is bar type, line, area, pie, bundle, polar, and scatter. But if we comes about how we use that Chart.js in building lightning component, how we can use that, so that is something when you need to build a custom data visualization components, you can leverage third party charting libraries like chart.js, d3, and high charts. In this article I can share the set of lightning components built with chart.js. The lightning experience charts are core.js, and that's very straightforward. I can show you that with a small code highlights you can read these things. And this, don't think that it's very difficult to configure and all. It's very easy. So it's something like a unmanaged package reference in the installation instruction. Here are a few instruction highlights. Just read this highlighted points. Okay, next I'll go to the next page. There's something how we can install that. So installation is very simple. The thing is like just we have to here there is one link. Just open this link, download the chart.js package, install like you can store that in static resource. I'll show you that. So to this one, so I'll go in Salesforce org here. Let me go and show that chart.js package. So here we have static resource. See here this is the package. So just download that from that link which is shared in that PPT and store it in static resource with any other name. How we can use this one in LWC, that I will show that. It's very straightforward. Just the thing is, I can show you a small coding areas for that. To load that chart in the LWC, like in the UI, just we have to call that. See, we have to import that with the help of resource URL. That is standard thing. And with the help of this name of the static resource, just call that and just load that package over here. Okay, so how can we display this data? How can we visualize the data? So example, let's take an example. I have a report. Okay, so I have a report which shows account related contacts. Like for example, one account is having how many contacts. So here we have, for example, this is one Burlington Textile Corporate of America. This one is having how many accounts? This is having one. So I have just grouped by this account field. So whatever the accounts we have, that will show here. So how to use this one in how to visualize this data in the form of bar chart or graph, like so that I can show. So here we have one apex class here. Just we'll fetch the report here. We'll fetch the report and we'll serialize the data, the report data here with and we'll just return that result here. So how we are using that in UI, just as simple as only one canvas here, one canvas tag we have, and with the help of my chart ID. And what is this my chart ID? My chart ID is the full setup for that chart. That too you can find it here. Here, see this my chart. So First, we'll call the Apex class. From the once we call the Apex class, we'll get the return data here. We store that all the return data in one of the chart data here, and we'll create that with the help of my that ID. We'll store all the values. We can set the color of that bar chart, which set the background color, border color, everything we can set it here, and the description of that. So once we set that, it's very straightforward. If you go to that Chat.js package, you'll get to know everything. Once that is done, then I can show you the details of that. So here, this is the report, and if you want to see the details, I have just replaced that. I have placed that component here. See, account related contacts. You can see here, like this account is having one contact here. So one contact. This is having two contacts that you can show on hover. This is very good actually. Chat.js is something which describes everything in the form of text visualization here. So this was the topic for data visualization using Chart.js in LWC. Yeah, we'll come. I'll come with the next video. Thanks for now. Thank you. Thanks everyone. Bye bye.